Domsem is professional manufacturers on UV/DTF printer machines in Shenzhen of China. With 10 years experiences, we have strong teams of R&D, production, sales/after sales. We supply consistent quality printing machines and excellent after-sales supporting service. Proprietary new technologies: flash jet on ink firing system, continuous ink supply system, ink display system, HIS system, UV ink curing system. Machine features: maximize productivity, simplified operation and maintenance, low running cost, high resolution, and high color density output, long time durability, and excellent adhesive. Our main products are UV printers in A4, A3, A2, and A1 sizes, DTF printer, DTG printer, UV DTF printer, UV ink, printer head, UV LEDs curing system, and all of the accessories for UV/DTF printers. We also supply ODM/OEM services. Our printers are widely used to print on all kinds of surfaces, available in 3D textured and raised printing, suitable for printing on both rigid and flexible material, like phone cases, metal, aluminum, copper, alloys, mirror, gift packaging, wood, carbon paper, metal, tablet cover, USB sticks, DVD disc, industry signs, badge, acrylic, plastic card, PVC, glass, wood, paper. To create new business opportunities with Domsem, custom personalized printing give your product the distinctive look. Print your creative ideas in colors and shapes.